My dear students, today I will discuss about linear equations in one variable. An equation is a statement of equality involving one or more variables. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 4y square minus 9 equal to 0, minus 5z plus 15 equal to 5. A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest degree of the variable is 1. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and minus 5z plus 15 equal to 5. Here variable is x and power of x is 1. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0 is the example of linear equation in one variable. Minus 5z plus 15 equal to 5. Here variable is z and power of z is 1. So it is the example of linear equation in one variable. Now worksheet 1, solve and check your answers. Question number 1, 2x minus 2 equal to 18. You know that any terms left to right or right to left, the sign is opposite. This is called transpose rule. So here in left hand side minus 2, right in right hand side, so it can be written as plus 2. So 5x equal to 18 plus 2, 5x equal to 20. Now divide both sides LHS and RHS by 5. You will get x equal to 20 by 5. That is 5 4 j 20. Therefore x equal to 4. Now check. Substituting x equal to 4. LHS equal to 5x minus 2. So in place of x write 4. So it can be written as 5 into 4 minus 2 equal to 20 minus 2 equal to 18. That is the RHS. Therefore x equal to 4 is the solution of the given equation. Now question number 8. 3 by 5x plus 2 by 5 equal to 1. Now use transpose rule. 3 by 5x equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. 3 by 5x equal to 5 minus 2 by 5, or 3 by 5x equal to 3 by 5, or there x equal to 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 3, therefore x equal to 1. You for solving the equation, always remember you can use 4 rules. Same numbers can be added to both sides, same number can be subtracted from both sides, same number uh, same non-zero numbers multiplied by both sides, same non-zero number can be divided by the both sides. Non-zero numbers means we cannot multiply or divide by 0 in both sides. So non-zero number, always remember we can multiply or divide non-zero number, that is the value of x does not equal to 0. Now check question number 8. For x equal to 1, so LHS equal to 5 by 3x plus 2 by 5. It can be written as 3 by 5. The value of x equal to 1 plus 2 by 5. It can be written as 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 equal to 3 plus 2 by 5 equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1 equal to RHS. So x equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now question number 11. 2 by 5z equal to 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. Now first of all find the LCM of the denominators 5, 8 and 20. Denominator of both sides LHS and RHS. Find the LCM of the denominators of LHS and RHS. So LHS LCM of 5, 8 and 20 is 40. Now multiply each LHS and RHS by LCM, that is 40. So it can be written as 40 multiplied 2 by 5z equal to 40 multiplied 3 by 8z plus 40 multiplied 7 by 20. Now 5 8j 40, 8 2j 16z equal to 8 5j 40, 5 3j 15z, 22j 40, 2 7j 14 plus 14. So now 16z equal to 15z plus 14. Here here fractional terms are omitted, so it can be written as 16z minus 15z equal to 14. Therefore z equal to 14. Now check it. For z equal to 14, LHS equal to 2 by 5z equal to 2 by 5 multiply 14 equal to 28 by 5. RHS equal to 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. So write in place of z, you can write 14. So it can be written as 3 by 8 multiplied 14 plus 7 by 20. 2 7j 14 and 2 4j 8. So it can be written as 3 into 7. 3 multiply 7, 21 by 4 plus 7 by 20 is equal to LCM of 4 and 20 equal to 20. So 4 5 j 20, 4 5 into 21 equal to 105 plus 7 equal to 112 by 20. Now here common factors is 4. So divide numerator and denominator by 4. 20 divided by 4 and the quotient is 5. 112 divided by 4, quotient is 28 equal to 28 by 5. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So z equal to 14 is the solution of the given equation. Similarly, question number 12. 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y equal to 5 by 12. LCM of 5, 8 and 12 is 124. Now multiply LHS and RHS by 120. So 120, it can be written as 120 multiplied 2 by 5y minus 120 multiplied 5 by 8y equal to 120 multiplied 5 by 12. 120 divided by 5, you will get the quotient 24. So 24 to the 48y, and 120 divided by 8, quotient is 15. 15 5 is 75 minus 75y equal to 120 divided by 12, that is 10. 10 5 is 50. 48 minus 75y equal to minus 27y equal to 50. Therefore y equal to minus 50 by 27. Check for y equal to minus 50 by 27. LHS equal to 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y equal to 2 by 5 multiply minus 50 by 27 minus 5 by 8 multiply minus 50 by 27. 50 divided by 5, quotient is 10. Similarly, you can write minus 20 by 27 equal to minus minus plus 5 5j 25 250 by 27 into 8 equal to 216. Now LCM of 27 and 216 equal to 216. 216 divided by 27, quotient is 8. So 20 multiply 8 equal to 160. It can be written as minus 160 plus 250 equal to 90 by 216. Now here 18 is common factors. HCF of numerator and denominator is 18. So 18 5j 90 or 216 divided by 18. The quotient is 12 equal to 5 by 12. So LHS equal to RHS. There, so y equal to minus 50 by 27 is the solution of the equation. Now question number 16. 4 common bracket 2y minus 3 plus 4 5 common bracket 3y minus 4 equal to 14. 4 2j 8y minus 4 3j 12 plus 5 3j 15y minus 5 4j 20 equal to 14. Now 8y plus 15y equal to 23y minus 12 minus 20 equal to minus 30 equal to 14. It can be written as 23y equal to 32 plus 14 Therefore 23y equal to 46. Therefore y equal to 46 by 23. 23 2j 46. Therefore y equal to 2. Check. For y equal to 2, LHS equal to 4 common bracket 2y minus 3 plus 5 common bracket 3y minus 4. Now put the value of y is 2. So 4 common bracket 2 multiply 2 minus 3 plus 5 common bracket 3 multiply 2 minus 4 equal to 4 common bracket 4 minus 3 plus 5 common bracket 6 minus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1, so 4 multiply 1 plus 5 multiply 2 equal to 4 plus 10 equal to 14. That is the RHS. So y equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. Question number 8 18. Z minus 2z by 3 plus z by 2 equal to 5. LCM of the denominator 3 and 2 is 6. So multiply each and every terms by 6. So it can be written as 6 multiply z minus 6 multiply 2z by 3 plus 6 multiply z by 2 equal to 6 multiply 5. It can be written as 6z minus 3 2j 6 2 2j 4z plus 2 3j 6 plus 3z equal to 30 equal to 6z plus 3z 9z 9z minus 4z equal to 5z equal to 30. It can be written as z equal to 30 by 5. 5 6 30. Therefore z equal to 6. Check. For z equal to 6, LHS equal to z minus 2z by 3 plus z by 2. So put the value of z equal to 6. So it can be written as 6 minus 2 into 6 by 3 plus 6 by 2. It can be written as 6 minus 3 2j 6 to 2j 4. 6 minus 4 plus 2 3j 6 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 3 9 9 minus 4 equal to 5. So z equal to 6 is the solution of the given equation. Question number 20. 6z by 2 by 5. 6x minus 2 by 5 equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM of the denominator 5 and 3 is 15. Now multiply LHS and RHS by 15. 15 it can be written as 15 multiply common bracket 6z minus 2 by 5 equal to 15 multiply common bracket 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 15 multiply 1 by 3. 5 3j 15. Now 3 6j 18x plus minus 3 2j 6 equal to 5 2j 10x minus 5 minus 5. It can be written as 6 18x minus 10x equal to 6 minus 10. 18x minus 10x can be written as 8x. 6 minus 10 can be written as minus 4. Therefore x equal to minus 4 by 8. That is therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now check. For x equal to 1 by 2, LHS equal to 6x minus 2 by 5 equal to 6 multiply in place of x write minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. 2 3j 6. It can be written as minus 3 minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 5 by 5 equal to minus 1. RHS equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. In place of x write minus 1 by 2. So it can be written as 2 multiply minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 1j 2 equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. It can be written as minus 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. So x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution of the equation. Question number 22. 2x minus 3 equal to 3 by 10 common bracket 5x minus 12. It can be written as 10 common bracket cross multiplication by cross multiplication 10 common bracket 2x minus 3 equal to, yeah, or multiply LHS or RHS by 10. So 10 common bracket 2x minus 3 equal to 10 multiply 3 by 10 common bracket 5x minus 12. It can be written as 20x minus 30 equal to 10 3 5j 15x minus 36. 20x minus 15x equal to 30 minus 36. So 5x equal to minus 6. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 by 5. Now check for x equal to minus 6 by 5. LHS equal to 2x minus 3 equal to 2 multiply minus 6 by 5 minus 3 equal to minus 12 by 5 minus 3 equal to minus 12 minus 15 by 5 equal to minus 27 by 5. RHS equal to RHS equal to 3 by 10 common bracket 5x minus 12. So it can be written as 3 by 10 common bracket 5 multiply minus 6 by 5 minus 12. 5 cancel, 5 by 5 1. So it can be written as 3 by 10 multiply minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. Now 2 5 j 10 and 18 divided by 2 you will get minus 9 minus 18 divided by 2 equal to minus 9. So it can be written as minus 27 by 5. LHS equal to RHS, so x equal to minus 6 by 5 is the solution of the equation. Now last question 25. 2.5 common bracket 3 minus x equal minus 0.6 common bracket 2x minus 3 equal to 0. It can be written as 24 multiply 2.4 multiply 3 equal to 7.2 minus 2.4 multiply x equal to 2.4x minus 0.6 multiply 2 equal to 1.2x minus minus plus 3 multiply 0.6 equal to 1.8. It can be written as minus 2.4x minus 1.2x equal to minus 3.6x plus 7.2 plus 1.8 equal to 9.0 equal to 0. It can be written as minus 3 minus 3.6x equal to 9 minus 9. So x equal to minus 9.0 by minus 3.6 minus minus plus and 18 2 j 36 or 18 5 j 90. Therefore x equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5. Check for x equal to 2.5. LHS equal to 2.4 common bracket 3 minus x. In place of x write 2.5 minus 0.6 common bracket 2 multiply 2.5 minus 3. It can be written as 2.4 multiply 3 minus 2.5 equal to 0.5 minus 0.6 multiply 2 multiply 2.5 equal to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it can be written as 2.4 multiply 0.5 equal to 1.2 minus 0.6 multiply 2. It can be written as 1.1. So 1.1 minus 1.1 equal to 0. That is the RHS. So x equal to 2.5 is the solution of the given equation. Thank you. Have a nice day.